Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2021 KTM 450 SXF Factory Edition runs well. It comes equipped with traction control in 2 riding modes. It's been upgraded with lowered suspension, IMS Pro Pegs titanium foot pegs, IMS rear brake pedal tip, FMF Factory 4.1 muffler, recluse clutch cover, KTM seat, orange anodized accent pieces, KTM handlebar pad, and a foam front tire insert. With sleek lines and a lightweight frame, the SXF is a race-ready dirt bike that punches above its weight class. Powered by a 450cc single-cylinder engine, the SXF puts 63 horsepower. It offers 11 inches of front suspension travel and 12 at the rear, which is complemented by a disc-based braking system. The SXF has a dry weight of 220 pounds and a 37-inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.